A hygienically clean certified healthcare laundry is committed to best management practices in laundering. Practices verified by third-party inspection and quantified by ongoing microbiological testing of laundered linens, garments, and other healthcare textiles that aid infection prevention. Hygienically Clean certification provides essential evidence that laundry employees are properly trained, managers understand OSHA requirements, and the physical plant operates effectively. Best management practices are grounded in the regulations and standards of the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, the Environmental Protection Agency, the Centers for Disease Control, the Healthcare Infection Control Practices Advisory Committee, the American National Standards Institute, and the Association for the Advancement of Medical Instrumentation. Certified laundries maintain a quality assurance manual that documents their complete range of these best practices, giving inspectors a focal point for evaluating compliance with them. The manual lists the laundry's practices for plant facilities, housekeeping, and laundry processes that consistently deliver hygienically clean textiles. To enforce the highest standards for producing healthcare textiles, objective experts in bacteriology, infection control, and nursing work with launderers to implement improvements through the Hygienically Clean Advisory Board. Videos and guidance documents are provided to healthcare professionals to aid their safe handling of soiled and clean linen. To continuously quantify processing success, routine testing of laundered healthcare textiles ensures their microbiological content falls below internationally recognized thresholds. Product quality is maintained or even improved as water quality, textile fabric composition, wash chemistry, and other conditions evolve. While the keys to producing quality lie in processing, only if a product itself is subjected to a certification standard can that product be considered certified according to the International Organization for Standardization. That's why Hygienically Clean measures both the process and outcome. Professionals in a vast range of healthcare disciplines are devising better ways to improve quality in their own operations by combining process and outcome measures. Laundries can emulate them and stand out from competitors by achieving the Hygienically Clean standard's rigorous combination of process and outcome measures, quality assurance, best management practices, and continuous improvement. If you're a healthcare facility manager or executive who reviews linen, uniform, and facility services options, make sure that the rental service you select is Hygienically Clean Healthcare certified. For more information, visit alsco.com.